Snake and Frog humane repellent DIY pest control products focus on non-lethal habitat modification and exclusion techniques to keep reptiles and amphibians away from living spaces. Start by assessing the property to identify entry points and habitats that attract snakes and frogs, such as rock piles, wood stacks, dense ground cover, and standing water. Clear ground clutter and trim vegetation to create dry, sunlit margins because moisture and cover attract both reptiles and amphibians. Remove leaf litter, neatly stack firewood on pallets, and replace dense mulch with gravel in critical zones. For snakes, install metal barrier edging sunk at least 6 inches into the soil, leaning slightly outward to prevent slithering underneath, and run the barrier continuously around foundations and garden beds. Seal gaps under doors and vents with hardware cloth with mesh smaller than 1/4 inch. For frogs, consider one-way exclusion funnels on openings that lead to undesired enclosures only where they are legal. These allow frogs to exit but not re-enter and must be checked daily to avoid trapping other wildlife. Use habitat deterrents such as motion-activated lights and vibration devices sparingly. Combine them with removal of food sources like rodent attractants and standing water to reduce prey-driven visits. When encountering a species that may be protected, or if you are unsure about state or local regulations, contact your regional wildlife agency before attempting relocation or exclusion that could harm the animal or violate rules. Common mistakes include sealing only part of a perimeter and leaving small gaps that animals exploit, which you fix by performing a continuous inspection and repairing any breaches immediately. Another error is relying solely on chemical repellents or noises that provide only temporary results. So prioritize physical habitat changes and exclusion first, and use deterrence as a supplemental tactic. Third, people sometimes relocate animals without checking legal status, which can lead to fines or harm to species. So stop and contact your wildlife agency or local conservation office for guidance if you suspect the animal might be protected. We operate bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners looking for humane reptile and amphibian solutions with local contractors who specialize in habitat modification and exclusion work. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members share practical tips, local regulation experiences, and contractor recommendations to help everyone find appropriate legal solutions.